Hi, have you been looking to buy a home and you haven't had much success? I have a unique plan that I've used for over the past 20 years that have allowed me to help over 250 buyers find the home of their dreams. To see how that program could work for you and maybe get you a property like this one located in Riverside City, give me a call at 909-731-1932. I'm Jerry Cook. I'm a realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty here in the city of Riverside. I've been selling homes since 1999. I have over 619 successfully closed transactions. When I put the power of Coldwell Banker Blue to work for you, you better be packing, because I know you're going to move. I'm Jerry Cook, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Remember, it's 909-731-1932. Don't delay. Give me a call today.